What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Chickenomics. Today, I'm going to show you 5 different ways to get some extra money in your bank account to do whatever you want with. This is an investing channel, so I would suggest use this money to get your investments going. But before we get started, there is one way you can always get a free investment. Go ahead and sign up with my Robinhood link in the description down below. I should just take a minute here. Let's go ahead and get started. If you have a car, a bicycle, whatever, you live in a metropolitan area, DoorDash, always going to be a good way to make a couple extra dollars. You don't always make a lot of money, but you can make a pretty decent amount using DoorDash. I personally dash when I don't have anything to do. I'm about 20 minutes away from a pretty big city. I'll go out there, I'll sit in my car, read a book, deliver some food when they need it. Cambly, when I don't want to leave the house, this is the one I pop into. Cambly is just what it says there, English tutoring. If you're a native English speaker, super easy. You meet a lot of people, you get to talk to a lot of people, and you get paid just for talking. Who doesn't want to get paid just for talking? Usually it lasts anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes a session. It's not too bad, but the pay is not the best out of all of these things here. I'm going to hop over here to Fiverr. Fiverr is great if you take the time to set it up. If you have any kind of skill, I personally use Fiverr, and another one we're going to talk about here in a second. I type ridiculously fast. I type about 111 words a minute with a 99.5% accuracy rating. So what I do, I'll find transcription jobs, I'll find data entry jobs, and jobs that they're charging by the hour for I won't take because I can't bring myself to give people that much value, right? Like, yeah, I give people value on YouTube or whatever, but I cannot type that fast and let somebody take advantage of it. So I find things are only done by the job. And there have been times I've made over $100 an hour on Fiverr. You just have to pick something you're good at, grab a job to do it. It's really not that hard. Another one I like to do when I'm bored and want to meet people and talk, Uber. There's a huge bar scene close to where I live, same city, about 20 miles away. And you go out there between, I don't know, 10 at night and 2 in the morning, any day of the week, and you make an absolute killing because there's always people going to the bars in these big cities. A+ on Uber. You should always think about that. And another thing you can do is if you sign up for Uber and you get approved, not only can you Uber and drive people around, you can Uber Eats and deliver their food. So you're kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Whenever one of them's not going well, like at night, you can deliver people. And whenever the other one's going pretty well, you can deliver food. And then the last one, which is where I spend most of my time when I'm at home, is Upwork. So on Upwork, like I said, I just look for typing jobs because I type so fast, and jobs that don't pay by the hour. This one's a little different than Fiverr because people contact you on Fiverr to do the work, and on Upwork, you contact them. The only downfall on Upwork is that if you have the free profile, which I do, I'm not promoting them, not even affiliated with them, I just use them. And if you have the free profile, you can only make so many connects, and that's like your points that you use to apply for the jobs. And so it's 5 ways to make money. Use this if you can just barely cover your bills with your J job and you need a little extra money, or it's the holidays, today's Christmas, Merry Christmas. Use this to pay for Christmas gifts. Use this to fund a trip. Use this to build your investment portfolio. But whatever you use it for, just remember, if you ever need a little extra money, there's a way to do it. Go ahead, grab something, go to work. Like, it's still trading your time for money, but it's better than nothing. Anyways, this is a little different than what I usually put out. It's not investing advice, but you should do these to get your investment portfolio started. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy investing.